This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cookie box. First, gather your essential materials like sturdy cardstock, a ruler, and a craft knife. You'll also need a scoring tool for crisp folds. Next, decide on your box's dimensions. A common size is 6 inches by 6 inches. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience from start to finish. Now, let's move on to cutting and scoring. Place your template onto the cardstock and carefully cut along the solid lines with a craft knife. Remember to use a cutting mat to protect your surface. Once cut, use a scoring tool and a ruler to score all the designated fold lines. This step is crucial for achieving sharp, professional-looking creases. With your pieces cut and scored, it's time to fold and assemble. Gently fold along all the scored lines, creasing them firmly. Apply a strong adhesive, like double-sided tape or craft glue, to the designated tabs. Carefully align the edges and press them together, holding for about 15 to 20 seconds to ensure a secure and lasting bond. Your box is taking shape. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to your cookie box. You can personalize it with ribbons, custom labels, or even a clear window to showcase your treats. Make sure the box is robust enough to safely hold your delicious cookies, perhaps up to 1 pound. This final step makes your homemade cookie box truly special and ready for gifting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.